Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm actually going to talk to you about Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, and it's mostly makeup, sometimes hair care or skincare, but it is a beauty subscription service. It's $21 a month, and it is every month. I've had several different subscription boxes. I've had Ipsy, Birchbox, FabFitFun, I don't know. Anyway, I've had a bunch and I've canceled all of them, and this is currently the only subscription box that I still have. It's $21 a month. Totally recommend it. You get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 products, and then they are all full size. And so today I thought that I would unbox my June box. Yeah, June 2018 box. So I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead and like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I guess we'll just go ahead and get started. Alright, I've already opened it up. I know, that's the kind of person I am. But it comes with a little pamphlet like this. Sometimes it's a card, and then this one this month is like a foldable. But it tells you all about everything that's in the box, so we'll put that to the side right now. And the first product, the big product in this month's box, was the Elmar. I didn't take Spanish, so I don't know. But this is a eyeshadow palette from this brand. I'll put it on the screen, maybe. And it is beautiful. I've swatched it, and I'll try to put swatches in on the video. We'll see. But it's got 4 shimmers and then 4 mattes. And the mattes are not as like buttery. My favorite eyeshadow palette for matte is the Jaclyn Hill palette. And they aren't as creamy and buttery as those, but they are good. They kind of feel like my Viseart eyeshadows, where they're kind of a little rough, but they do have pigmentation and they are pretty. I haven't played with this product yet. I really want to. This shade is like, yes. So I will let you guys know what I think, but I think this is a great item to get in a box. And this is worth, if you didn't get it in the box, it is worth $28. So that's the cost of the box already, you know, and you got a palette. Alright. Next, we got some lashes, and I have these on right now. They're super natural and fluffy, and I really like them. This is from the brand Battington Lashes, and it came in a box. I've got it upside down. It's like this. It comes in a box, and then you have your lashes right here, but I currently have these on. These are nice. They're really comfortable and lightweight. I like them. They are worth $28. I would not spend that much on these lashes. I would buy a different brand, like the House of Lashes. They're like $8, $9. Those are my favorite, or the Ardell's that you can get at Ulta. But these are pretty. They're great to receive in a box. Yay. Next, we got this set of LUXIE brushes. It has 3 brushes. You have a duo fiber brush. A stippling brush is what I would call this. A stippling brush, a duo fiber brush. This is the Precision Foundation. It's kind of like a mix between a paddle brush, and it's a little fluffier than your typical paddle brush. And I use paddle brushes to apply masks, like face masks. And then this is the tapered highlighting brush, and this would be great for highlight. It'd be really pretty. And those are worth $42 the set, so that's awesome. So the next product, this is a JONTE Blue. It is an eyeliner, and it's brown, and I'm not going to use this. I'll probably give it to somebody else. Yeah, it's just a sharpenable, like, it's wood. You sharpen it. A sharpenable word. But you just sharpen this. It's a brown eyeliner. I use the Marc Jacobs eyeliners. Those are my favorite. So I wouldn't use this, but it's a good product to get. And you either got black or blue, and it's $5. And then the next product is the OFRA liquid lipstick. This is one of my favorite liquid lipstick brands, formulas. And we got it in Verona. It's a pretty nude. It's like a neutrally cool tone nude. It would look good with my eyeshadow today, I think. But I love the OFRA formulas. This is great. It's one that I'll use. And this would retail for $21 outside of the box. So that's the cost of the box. But like I said, I love OFRA. I love OFRA liquid lipsticks. Alright, and then the last thing that we got this month was like an extra item. It's a small item, it's not full sized. But we got a little, see it's like super little. It is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. And it's sealed. I've smelled this before at Sephora. It smells great. And it's a good product. It's supposed to have like caffeine and other things in it that are supposed to help tighten your skin and smooth it. I guess to help get rid of cellulite. Don't know if it really works. But I have heard a lot of people rave about it, so I'm excited to get it and try it. And this would retail in like the checkout section of Sephora for $10. It's like my happy every month, you know, it's just a little something to kind of look forward to every month to get in the mail. Alright, that was the Boxy Charm video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. So, I hope you guys liked it. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.